Welcome to today's lesson on Rme. I'm Auntie Abigail. In our previous lesson, we talked about moral roles of our parents. What our parents are supposed to do or teach us as children. They are supposed to educate us. They are supposed to give us shelter, food, clothing, and water. They are also supposed to teach us what is good and what is bad. And they are also supposed to help us know how to tidy our environment or our room or our home or anywhere we find ourselves. Today, we are going to talk about spiritual roles of parents. Every parent has a responsibility of bringing up the child in the fear of God or Allah or whatever they believe in, since there are three main religions in Ghana. So as parents, they have responsibility of bringing us up in the fear of God. So let's look at some spiritual roles of parents. Our parents have some spiritual roles to perform. One, to lead the family in devotions. So anytime the family has, let's say, a morning devotion, an evening devotion, an afternoon devotion, or any type of devotion the family has, is the role of the parent to lead the children or the family in devotion. And doing that, it helps the children to also learn. It helps us as children to learn how to also lead our friends in devotion when we go to schools or our Sunday school or wherever we find ourselves. Two, parents are supposed to take us along to churches, the mosque or the shrine or any place of worship. Since parents go to church or the mosque or the shrine to worship whichever or whoever they believe in, it's the responsibility of the parents to take us along when they are going. And it also helps us children to learn whatever is being done there. When we grow up, we will not depart from it. Three, they also help us to learn the word of God or the word of Allah or the word of whatever they believe in. So parents, as taking us along to church, they also help us to learn the word of God. That is to read the word of God, whether it's the Bible or the Quran or whichever book they read or they believe in. Parents helps us to read it. And parents are supposed to also get a Bible for us as children. So if you don't have a Bible or a Quran or whatever book your parents are reading, tell them to get you one. And it also helps you to learn the word of God. They also teach us how to pray. As parents, as children, we are supposed to pray. Prayer is a communication between we and our God. So parents need to teach children how to pray always. 5, they also teach us things that God likes and the things he dislikes. God sees everything, he knows everything. So it means he dislikes certain things and he likes certain things. And we also know, because we've been going for Sunday schools and going to the mosque to pray and learn the word of God. So parents taking us along, teaching us the word of God, teaching us how to pray, teaching us how to read the Bible and the Quran, they also help us to also know what God likes and what he doesn't like. So we know we are not supposed to insult each other. We are not supposed to steal. We are not supposed to tell lies. We are not supposed to be pinching our friends. We are not supposed to take in things from their bags. And we are not even supposed to be taking things at home that doesn't belong to us. Those things God dislikes. And what he likes, a cheerful boy, a cheerful girl, a respectful boy, someone who goes to church, who loves God, who prays. Those things are the things God likes. And the first things I mentioned, he doesn't like. So parents are supposed to teach us what God likes and what he dislikes. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.